missing.
Yeah. And they looked all over for that puppy, but he was already home.
He was already home?
Yeah.
Oh.
And we smelled something delicious. They said, corn muffins!
Corn muffins.
Then they rushed back home.
Oh boy.
But they didn't get any.
Because the puppy ate them all?
No.
No?
Their mama said no corn muffins tonight.
Ah. The end.